The three-act structure is a term that originates in the theater. It refers to the three-step path that every story follows: the setup, the problem, and the resolution. This logical formula helps your readers to better understand and absorb the information you're trying to share with them. Keeping in mind the variety of post types we encounter on the community, we'll simply refer to these three components for blog posts as the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Building a great blog post is a lot like building a house. The introduction lays the foundation, so be sure to start with an introduction that tells your readers who you are, why you're writing on this topic, and why your readers should care. Building the body of your post is like putting up the frame of your house. This is where you will share the bulk of your information. Whether it's a personal experience story or a how-to guide, keep in mind that your blog should be written in first-person voice, using the phrase I instead of the third-person we. And don't forget to write for your audience. Lastly, make sure that you wrap up your post with something that helps the readers to understand what you expect them to do next.